For this video, we are going to compare Airalo versus Holafly. So we are going to discuss the coverage and availability, the ease of use, the pricing, and the customer support of both tools. So I have the links in the description down below so you can use those links to be able to use the tools. So let's get on it. So for the first part, let us discuss the coverage and the availability. So for Airalo, Airalo offers a wide range of eSIMs that cover numerous countries across the globe. So they even provide flexibility with the regional and the global plans. So these are the regional eSIMs and the global eSIMs. So they cater to various travel needs, and the platform is accessible even through app, making it really convenient to browse and purchase eSIMs on the go. While for the Holafly also provides eSIMs for multiple countries with a focus on popular tourist destinations, and they ensure comprehensive coverage in key regions but may have a slightly narrower selection compared to Airalo. So for the exact number, the availability of Airalo has 207 countries compared to Holafly that it only has 173 countries. For the ease of use, the Airalo app is user-friendly, allowing travelers to easily select and even activate eSIMs without the need for physical SIM cards. So they offer straightforward pricing and activation processes, enhancing convenience for users. So it is available for both Android and iOS users. As you can see, it is available in App Store and also in Google Play. Now for the Holafly, Holafly similarly provides a streamlined experience through website and app, simplifying the process of purchasing and activating eSIMs. So their customer support is responsive, ensuring users receive assistance promptly. So similarly also to Airalo, Holafly is available for both Android and iOS users. So as you can see, it is available for Google Play and also App Store. Next, for the pricing. So first, Airalo. So Airalo is often praised for its competitive pricing. So they offer cost-effective eSIM options that cater to different budgets, and they frequently even run promotions and discounts, so making it really affordable for travelers to stay connected without incurring high roaming charges. So the prices may vary on the type of eSIM, the coverage, the data and validity of the plan. So they have a $9 USD plan and as well as 69 USD plan. Now for the Holafly, Holafly also provides competitive pricing, although specific rates may vary depending on the destination and plan selected. So they strive to offer value for money with transparent pricing strategies. So as you can see here on my screen, I on the website of Holafly. So if you select Japan as your destination, as for example, you needed or what you can do is set the number of days and number of eSIMs that you want to buy, and then you can get unlimited internet. So again, the price may depend on the days and the number of SIMs or the destination that you will use the eSIM with. So that's it. And now for the customer support. So Airalo is noted for its reliable customer support and with responsive assistance available through their apps and website. So they offer multilingual support, which is beneficial for international travelers seeking assistance in various languages. So you can access their live chat support by clicking this section or this icon right here at the bottom right corner of their website if you are using your website. So click onto that, and then this is where you can type in your message, and you can even add documents if you want to do so. And if you want to chat them through WhatsApp and Messenger, just click this three dots icon right here and continue on whatever platform that you want to continue on. And now for the Holafly, they also have the same chat support. So it is also available on the bottom right corner of their screen or their website. So Holafly also provides strong customer support. They also ensure that travelers have access to help whenever they need. So their support channels include online chat and email and providing comprehensive assistance through eSIM usage period. So you can also just click this icon right here, go to the messages or chat with them, or you can go to their contact us by clicking this section right here. And on their contact page, you can also opt to chat with them through WhatsApp or their support or live chat support. So beyond basic eSIM services, Airalo offers additional features such as data rollover and extended validity options in some plans, so which can be advantageous for frequent travelers. While for the Holafly also includes useful features in their eSIM packages such as generous data allowances and options for extending service duration, catering to diverse travel itineraries. So when comparing these two, specifically the Airalo and the Holafly, Airalo stands out for its extensive coverage, competitive pricing, user-friendly app interface, and robust customer support. So it offers a comprehensive solution for travelers seeking reliable connectivity without the hassle of traditional SIM cards. While Holafly also provide excellent service with competitive features, Airalo's strength in coverage, variety, and affordability make it a preferred choice for many travelers looking to stay connected globally. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.